Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, President and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to remove silicone caulk from clothing. Now, this is just a general discussion. I can come up with some methods for trying to remove silicone caulk from clothing, but there's actually no guarantee. You can try freezing it, freezing the actual material and then peeling it off the clothing. You can try immediately taking it off and wiping as much excess off as you possibly can at that moment, and try an acetone or a biodegradable product, which I'm not 100% sure would work, to be honest with you. But the acetone or some chemicals would probably work. You just have to test for color fastness, and what that is you have to make sure that the color doesn't get altered in the fabric before you apply it. So you want to just test it a little bit and make sure it doesn't bleach the fabric out. There are other chemicals that are available on a more commercial basis. Any solvents that reduce resins or enamels would probably do the trick, but these are carcinogens. They're highly flammable, and they do have to be used with precautionary measures. So I would really just be careful if you do decide to use those. And this was how to remove silicone caulk from clothing. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, President and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. We'll see you next time. Reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy.